What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a problem that I know you have because I used to have it almost 7-8 years ago when I first started trading as well. That problem is not being able to be consistent. That problem is losing a shit ton of money day in and day out. Maybe I would have a big win and then I would give it all back. I'd have a great week and then one trade would wipe out a bunch of small little trading profits. Now, the problem is strategy hopping. You are not sticking to one particular strategy. I'm going to tell you how you can get over that and how you can finally start to become profitable when it comes to your day trading career. That is finding the strategy that meshes well with your personality and your emotional psychology. Okay, so some people can swing trade, some people can't. For me, I cannot swing trade. Holding stocks overnight, through the weekend, through news, through headlines, just doesn't sit well with me. I've always been a day trader. I'm a mover and I'm a shaker. I like things to go at a rapid pace. I like to either know if I'm going to win very quickly or I like to know if I'm going to lose very quickly. So automatically, I already started to weed out swing trading. No overnight holds, no holds over the weekend. That was it. Locked it in. Done deal. That became a part of my trading plan. 2, jumping from strategy to strategy. Every time I would take a losing trade. So I would win 2 or 3 trades with one particular strategy. I would lose and then I would automatically look to find a new strategy. When I stopped doing that and focused on blocks of 20 and 40 trades with the same setup and the same strategy on the same ticker, it's when I built up a body of work to understand it wasn't the strategy that was making me lose money, but it was me, my own mind, my own emotions, and my nervousness and my anxiety that was causing me to lose trades. I would get into a trade short, I would see it go against me, I would cut it, and I would think, oh, the market's going back up, so I would buy long. Next thing you know, I was buying into supply, it would come automatically back down. So here's what I want you guys to focus on for the next 30 days. Pick 3 stocks, 3 tickers that you are interested in trading, stocks that you have traded before. Pick one strategy, one setup, write out a detailed plan of how you're going to attack this setup and how you're going to attack this particular stock each and every single day. Step 3 is I want you to take profits sooner than you would normally. And when you get stopped out, meaning when it passes through your stop loss or you're at technical level where you know you should get out, just to get out. And also I want you to size down. If you're an options player, I want you to only play 1 contract. If you trade stocks, I only want you to trade 5 or 10 shares. That way, this amount of money doesn't emotionally get attached to you, so you start making irrational decisions. All this is doing is building up your consistency, it's building up your confidence, and it's building up you as a trader so you can be able to be more consistent. Again, focus on these three things for the next 30 days, and I guarantee you, you will be a better trader.